Hello guys, welcome to eTrainer Box. In this video, we are going to learn about SUMIF function. What is the difference between sum function and SUMIF function? In sum function, you can calculate the sum or total for all available values. But if you have any one criteria and you want to calculate the sum of that specific criteria, then you need to use SUMIF function. Before I start further, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get the all future videos notification. In our database, we have co-center, department, gender, employee name, and their basic salaries. So in my first scenario, I want to calculate the basic salaries. I want to sum the basic salaries department wise. Here I have the one criteria, so I will use here SUMIF function equal SUMIF bracket. The first argument is range, so I need to calculate the sum department wise. So here I will select the department column and use the dollar sign to fix the ranges, comma, this is my criteria, comma, and I want to sum up the basic salary, so I will select the column and use the dollar sign to fix the range, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the sum of basic salaries only for finance department. Similarly, I will copy this formula and paste it down, so I will get the sum of basic salaries each department wise. In my second scenario, I want to calculate the basic salaries co-center wise. So here I have another one condition. I will use again SUMIF function equal SUMIF bracket. The first argument is range. Now I want to calculate the basic salaries co-center wise. So I will select the co-center column and use the dollar sign to fix my ranges, comma. Second argument is criteria. This is my criteria, comma. Sum range are basic salaries. I will select the basic salaries and use the dollar sign to fix the range, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the total of basic salaries according to this cost center. So here I will copy this formula and paste it down, so I get the basic salaries here cost center wise. In my third scenario, I want to calculate the basic salaries by gender wise. So here I will use again SUMIF function bracket. This time my range will be gender column and I will use the dollar sign to fix the ranges, comma. This is my criteria, comma, and the basic salaries are my sum range and use the dollar sign to fix the ranges, bracket close, press enter. And you can see I got the sum of basic salaries by male gender wise. So here I will copy the formula and paste it down, and you can see I got the sum of basic salaries by female gender. So in this way you can use SUMIF function in your daily routine work. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thank you very much.